3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
And a big thank you to Hasbro for giving this to us. Hey guys, it's Angel here and
After me. Oh no, it's Rick and Border
and
coming!
today we have the Littlest pet shop of Lucky Pets.
And the border rolled on me, I'm dead. That's good.
So guys, Hasbro sent us these Littlest Pet Shop Lucky Pets. We're so excited to open these.
Yay, I want to.
So let's just get right into it. Crack it open. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
It's a bunch of cookies. You see this, Anthony?
Guys,
Look at all this.
I'm going to open it.
Whoa! That was awesome, right? Any more? No more cookies in this big old fortune.
Yep.
Oh wait, I got rolled off. Like it rolled in.
That's
That was a fail. You ready to open that one?
Oh.
Anthony, we're gonna need scissors.
Okay. Cut it open. Be careful with scissors.
Yeah, be careful with scissors.
Yep, let me open it because I picked the first one.
Okay. So you want to open the first one?
Let's see what's inside this.
Hold it up.
1. Let's count 2. Ready? 1.
No, Anthony,
2.
show him it. Show him it. Wait, Anthony, we're supposed to.
No, it doesn't matter. Oh, one of these ones again. I love these
Okay,
ones.
let's open it up.
I'm going to use that like.
Oh, look at
I'm
this.
using that.
Okay, so we got these little paw. So cute.
Oh, I got this one. Look at it. It's so cute. It's put out a little bit. Oh, look at it. Look at it, guys. It's so cute.
What is it? Is it doggy or kitty cat?
Okay, so let's open the next one. Safety scissors. Here, so we're gonna open them at the same time next.
Yeah.
Anthony, but next time split it in. Don't split it like it's supposed to split it in half. Okay, Anthony. I'm gonna open mine first because we might rush through it. And do we want that to happen? We're gonna open it at the same time.
Don't want to open it.
Guys, Izzy, you're gonna open it like this. Okay?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Fine, I'll just do this.
Let's see what I got.
Ooh, fortune cookie.
I got enough too.
Do not eat. Hey, Anthony, this one's yours. I'm pretty sure you can open it like this.
Wait. Guys, look at this. It's amazing.
Anthony, it's the pet guide. Let me see this. So you charm icon color. So we got a yellow charm. We got a yellow charm for this guy. Oh, so that means you will share. So it means we will share.
Look at my guy. Let's see what's on the map.
Anthony, what little thing? No. Oh.
Where is mine? Right there. That's
Okay, let's let them see it now. So we got these two guys. Okay. So there's ultra lucky and there's super lucky.
Guys, I got a super lucky one.
No, you did not. You got lucky. And so lucky has a yellow charm. Super lucky has a blue charm, and ultra lucky has a purple charm. Okay, I haven't even opened mine yet, Anthony. You rushing right through. Ooh, look at this. It's like a little sheep.
Guys, check on the map.
It's a little sheep.
Let's see the map.
Let's see what mine has in store.
Check the map, guys. The map will fly to us. Why do you say it?
I got this pretty jewel. Tiffany, no, I got no.
No, I just want to poke it.
No, you do it, Anna. I don't want that video. No.
I go for C.
Okay.
Okay, this one I'm not washing.
Okay. So we got these guys. These cute little guys.
Where's the other one?
We gotta put their little charms here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna open mine now. While you're opening that.
Guys, you better fly. Yes, the wood will blow up. The wood actually will blow up. The wood. Then fly. And 10 seconds.
Okay, Anthony, let's open this guy.
Nope, nope.
Fine, I'll open this. Wait, this doesn't look yellow. Okay, just kidding. It doesn't look yellow because it's
Mine is yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow, Anthony. You got this. I think.
Oh, guys, I got.
We got a duplicate.
Duplicate. Oh yeah.
No, it's not good to get a duplicate. It doesn't matter. Let's
use the other scissors.
Yeah.
Please. Please, guys.
Okay.
It's easy for me.
No, is he allowed to use these? No, he cannot. They're too big.
No, I didn't say yes.
No, Anthony.
Let him try it.
Fine, you can try it. Okay, I'm gonna open mine while you're doing that. It's cool. It's like lucky fortunes. Ooh, I got a bone. Ooh, we got a different one. Let me see which one we
That's
got.
a cool one, guys. 1, 2. Motor? About on my face.
Let's see which one I got. So I got Destiny. So this is Destiny, you guys. It has bobbly head, bobbly, whatever you want to call it.
And
And then
it's
it
what you
is
got.
right here.
I know you got the bestest
Can I have a
one.
pen, please?
I know you got the bestest one, guys.
No, I did not. No, I did not.
No, look.
Yeah, well, sure. You can call it the best one. Let's see which one you get.
I'll go. Wait, let's see. The brains.
Oh, there's one left already.
No, that was on my side.
Okay.
What did you get?
You got a little piggy. Wait. Wait. He got super lucky. Anthony, where's your charm thing? Where's your charm? We need to find your charm. Where did you put your charm?
Oh, there is
Is it
a.
still in here? No, where's your little bag with the charm, Anthony?
Wait, check what his Reddit charm is.
He has a blue charm. His name's Riles. Riles the little piggy. Oink. And he is right here. In the super lucky area.
He has weavers on his head. That means he gets that.
Oh yeah. All of the ones that are lucky. Hey, no. They have something yellow on them. And the ones that are super lucky get something blue. Okay, Anthony, let's open the very last one.
Wait, I open it. Oh, I was doing this one. Same time.
Yeah.
Remember.
You ready, Anthony?
Not yet.
Look it out, Anthony.
Okay.
That's not what I meant by rip it out. But, okay.
Guys, these are the last ones.
These last two, we're going to open it at the same time.
Yes.
And we'll
Guys.
3, 2.
No, it's open. Okay, I opened both of them.
What? No! Okay, 3, 2,
1.
1. No, it's not a real fortune cookie, Anthony. Just open it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. No. Anthony, I'm going to open it then. Wait, 3, 1, 2, 3!
Oh, guys, that exploded because of no face.
Let's see which one I got.
Mine looks like a V because it's so chicken. What the?
Okay, let's see what you're going to get. Let's move this out of the way. Oh, well, I can tell I got a normal one already. Let's hope Anthony gets the super, super lucky. Ooh, what's this?
That's a cool one.
open this up. Okay, so
Guys,
I got Dalia.
I have something green.
I got Dalia.
Something green. Yes.
Here's Dalia. Hi. What'd you get? You got green guy?
What is it? Put it all together.
Oh, it's normal, but whatever. Oh, look how cute it is.
I am dead.
We got little Dalia.
Ada, oh my, because I paid all them for my double.
No.
No, that's actually true.
This big box gave it all to us. This big box. And no,
Java, break it. Out here, it's my chicken.
Hasbro gave this all, well, to me and Anthony. We love this gift. Okay,
Oh, I don't know the name.
I know the names, Anthony.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, we got Piggy up goes in front, because duh. And then this
And
little
these.
dragon.
It doesn't matter, you get, it's candy.
Okay, so this guy, his name is Jade. This is Dalia. Wait, another Dalia? Oh, never mind. It's Dalia. This is Dalia. This is hila, and this is hila also, and this is Miles. This is Gazer, and this, last but not least, is Destiny.
It's one more left. What is it?
What?
It's one more.
You hit. Oh, here comes Colette.
Oh, you said my word. It's coming out.
Here's Colette. Hi.
Guys, you better eat this because it's so yummy.
Okay. No, it's not real. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. He's just a hungry hippo. Okay, he's a hungry hippo. And a big thank you to Hasbro for giving this to us.
And
It's your sub, like, and share. Again, now shout out squad. Bye. Okay. So these two, these are twins. They're both named Hila.
Yeah.
They're twins.
Yes.
This is Jade, and this is Riles. This is Destiny. Stop hurting poor little Dalia. Wait, no, those aren't real fortune cookies, Anthony. Do not eat those. Yeah, I'm 100% sure. Okay, so this is Hila. These two are named Hila because they're twins. This is Jade. Stop it. Anthony, stop it. Okay, this is Dalia.
I'm going to Old Town Road. Goodbye.
Okay, go to the Old Town Road.
Bye-bye.